Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. I am your grammar teacher. Students, as you know, in previous videos we have discussed the first three parts of speech and that are noun, pronoun and verb. And in today's video our topic is adverb and its kind. So first of all I'll tell you what is an adverb. What is the definition of adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies the meaning of a verb, adjective or another adverb. If I'll give you example, she runs quickly. Student, in this sentence quickly is adverb. Okay, now move to the definition which is mentioned on your book on page number 21. An adverb is a word which adds to the meaning of a verb and tells how a thing is done, when it is done or where it is done. मतलब ये उस verb के मुतालिक बताता है कि कोई काम जो किसी भी सेंटेंस में किया गया है वो कैसे किया गया है और कहाँ किया गया है. Now move to example. The girl sang sweetly. You can see in this sentence sweetly is adverb because it's tell us that how she sang. Now move to second example. My father came today. In this sentence today is adverb. Third example is the sun shines everywhere. Okay, you can see in this sentence everywhere work as an adverb. So students, now I'll tell you the kinds of adverb. Basically there are 10 kinds of adverb, but in your syllabus they have just mentioned 6. But I'll tell you the name of all kinds of adverb. So first kind of adverb is adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of degree or quality, adverb of negation, adverb of cause or reason, adverb of comparison, adverb of number or frequency, interrogative adverb, and the last one is relative adverb. Now we will discuss about adverb of manner. So adverb of manner show how an action is done. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर हमें ये बताता है कि कोई भी जो काम है, कोई भी जो हम किसी सेंटेंस में एक्शन कर रहे हैं वो किस तरह से किया गया है. नाउ मूव टू एग्जांपल. द मैन रोड वेल, एंड इन दिस सेंटेंस वेल इज एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर. Move to second example. The horses ran fast. You can see in this sentence fast is adverb because it's tell us that how the horses ran. कि किस तरह घोड़े दौड़े. I'll tell you one thing about adverb. Adverb of manner are mostly formed from adjectives by adding ly. Like clever is adjective, but when we will add ly then it will become adverb. Like cleverly, quick is adjective, but when we will add ly then it will become adverb. Quick is adjective and quickly is adverb of manner. Now move to second kind of adverb, and that is adverb of place. So adverb of place show where an action is done. Adverb of place हमें बताता है कि कोई भी जो काम है, एक्शन है, वो कहाँ पर किया गया है. ठीक है. Now move to examples. The boy is waiting outside. Now you can see outside tell us where the boy is, tell us the direction where the boy is waiting for somebody. Second example is I searched my ball everywhere. Okay, in this sentence outside, in the first sentence outside, and in second sentence everywhere is adverb of place. Now move to third kind of adverb, adverb of time. So adverb of time show when an action is done. Adverb of time हमें बताता है कि कोई भी जो काम हमने किसी सेंटेंस में किया है वो किस वक्त किया गया है, कब किया गया है. Now look at the examples. Mohsin left early. You can see in this sentence early मतलब सुबह सवेरे ही वो left कर गया, चला गया, तो ये इस सेंटेंस में adverb of time है. She came here daily मतलब वो हर रोज़ यहाँ पर आती है और हर रोज़ उसका यहाँ पे आना टाइम है, पीरियड है. ठीक है. We can say that adverb of time show when the action is done, and basically it tell us about the period of an action. Now students, move to page number 22. Here is fourth kind of adverb, and that is adverb of number. Student, its second name as well, adverb of number or frequency. Adverb of number show how often an action is done. Now move to example. The boy struck him twice. In this sentence, twice is adverb of number. हम कह सकते हैं कि एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर हमें बताता है कि कोई भी काम कितनी मर्तबा किया गया है. बेसिकली हमें ये तादाद बताता है कि कोई काम कितनी मर्तबा सर अंजाम दिया गया है. सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल इज शी इन्फॉर्म्ड अस वंस. इन दिस सेंटेंस वंस इज एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर. ही सेल्डम विजिट्स हेयर. सेल्डम कभी कभार, शाज़ो नादिर. ठीक है. इन दिस सेंटेंस सेल्डम इज एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर. वी ऑफन टॉक टू आवरसेल्व्स. इन दिस सेंटेंस ऑफन अक्सर इट्स इज एडवर्ब ऑफ नंबर. नाउ मूव टू fifth kind of adverb, and that is adverb of degree. So students, adverb of degree show how much or to what extent a thing is done. So students, we can say that they show how much or in what degree or to what extent something has happened. ये जाहिर करता है कि कोई शय कितनी या किस हद तक वाक़या हुई है. Okay. Now move to examples. Umair has quite warm out. In this sentence, quite is adverb of degree, and you know the meaning of quite is bilkul. He was very excited. In this sentence, very is adverb of degree. Each of the adverb in the above sentences show how much or to what extent, कि किस हद तक a thing is done, कि कोई भी जो काम किया गया है वो कितना और किस हद तक किया गया है. You can see in the first sentence quite, बिल्कुल, मतलब वो काम बिल्कुल कर चुका है. Very is also showing how much to what extent the doer is doing the work. Now move to next example. He is quite strong. In this sentence, quite is adverb of degree. Second example is the glass was nearly full. In this sentence, you know, when we will add ly with the adjective, it's also become adverb. Okay, and in this sentence, nearly is adverb of degree. Now students, in all these sentences there are one adverb. Like you can see in the first sentence, quite is adverb, nearly, extremely, very, almost. Okay, all these are adverb, and that are adding to the meaning of the adjective or another adverb. Now move to sixth and last kind of adverb that is mentioned in your syllabus, and that is interrogative adverb. So interrogative adverbs are used for asking questions like when did he come, वो कब आएगा, वो कब आया, where did you go, how are you feeling today, why are you late, what were you writing. So we can say that all the words which relate to WH family, which we use for asking question to somebody, okay, and these are all are called interrogative adverbs. So students, in today's video we have discussed about adverb and its sixth kind with their example. Okay, in today's video we have discussed about adverb of time, place, manner, number, degree, and the last one is interrogative adverb. And I hope all your concept regarding the definition and the kind of adverb will be cleared. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.